Okay guys, we're at Miki's restaurant in Vico, and because we're friends, he gives us the secret passage. So I'm literally, and I'm not a tall guy, I'm literally standing up. This is where you gotta go. So here's his kitchen. So I just wanna show you. You gotta go through here. I got a duck. And then, again, I'm not making this up, I'm standing up. My head is hitting the ceiling right now. So this is the kitchen. So Miki is a much shorter person than I am. So here we go. We gotta get out. So fully functional kitchen, very low ceiling. Okay, I got a duck. Here we go. And then you're like, wow, how nice can this place look? You got a duck. And then it's absolutely beautiful. And this is my man right here, Giuseppe, doing a quick video. So this is the inside of the castle, the court of the castle. So we're gonna eat here. Oh, it's gonna be good. One of my favorite places to eat. Talk to you guys in a few.